Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of Eat Prime. I am Daedran. Here it is, Dalton's winning moment on X Factor UK.
The winner of the X Factor 2018 is Dalton.
The Jamaican singing sensation was a favorite throughout the season, having been told by the judges that he could be an international megastar. How true is that? Dalton's journey on X Factor was not free of controversy, as disputes surrounding his family life reached the media. The allegations, however, did not shake the singer nor distract him from his ultimate goal. E-Prime congratulates Dalton Harris on his inspirational win. Over 400 books donated today. The Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise, brainchild of Damien Junior Gong Marley, today donated approximately 400 books to the Jamaica Library Service Ocherius branch. Cruises for the fourth year in a row in support of Damien's philanthropic efforts took with them books for donation. Grammy Award-winning Third World member Kat Kaur, who made the presentation on behalf of Damien, was pleased with the efforts to encourage reading.
It speaks volumes because, we're living in an age now where reading and understanding literature of any kind from a very young age is vitally important for children.
Students from Ocherius Primary and Basic School were on hand for the ceremony. The week-long cruise, which began on Saturday when it left Fort Lauderdale, showcases Jamaican entertainment and culture nightly with some of reggae's finest, including the Marley Brothers, Tarrus Riley, Jesse Royal, along with sound systems and DJs. From Ocherius, the Royal Caribbean International Independence of the Sea, with over 3,000 guests, will head to Falmouth before returning to Fort Lauderdale on Thursday. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.